Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise and today's video is very exciting because we're going to be reviewing celebrity endorsed items on Fashion Nova. So I'm a really big fan of Fashion Nova and I'm always seeing like celebrities wearing Fashion Nova in both Fashion Nova's ads and on the celebs' Instagrams. But I've always wondered if the items are really that great or if the celebs are just wearing it because they're paid to, you know? So I thought it would be fun to go onto Fashion Nova and buy some celebrity endorsed outfits so that today we can test them out together and see if they really are as great as all the celebs say they are. Without further ado, let's get on into it. The first outfit that I purchased was worn by Kim Kardashian herself, and it is this bright pink one right here, which is a part of their Kylie Jenner 21st birthday collection. Now with these, I don't know if the celebs themselves wore it or if Fashion Nova just made similar outfits afterwards, which I think is likely the second. But to recreate those outfits and use the Kardashians' photos in their promotions, they would have to be working with the Kardashians. So this is still celeb endorsed. And oh my goodness, how vibrant is this? Wow. So this is the dress that Kim wore to Kylie's 21st birthday. My goodness, it is bright. Now obviously I don't have the same body type as a lot of these celebs. Obviously Kim K and I look very different, but I thought I could still test the quality and show you guys what it looks like on. So far, I mean, this looks to be pretty good. I don't think Kim K herself would be wearing something like this to the 21st. Like, it's swimming costume material. If I hold it up like that, it literally looks like a swimming costume until you see the bottom. So I mean, it's not see-through, it doesn't look cheap, it just looks like a costume. But let's just try it on and see what we think. This is what the dress looks like on. I'm honestly a really big fan. I didn't think I would be. As you guys saw when I was pulling it out, I was not impressed. But now that it's on, and it was a mission to get on, let me tell you, this dress is tight. So tight, but it's meant to be tight obviously, and once it's on it really looks good. I love this dress. This is what the back looks like. I really like the color. I love how vibrant it is, and honestly it's a cute, nice dress. I take it back, I do think that Kim K would wear something like this. I mean, it is, once it's on, it doesn't look like a swimsuit anymore, so I could see her rocking this. I don't think I would personally wear it out because it's not really my style, and it is kind of like one wrong move and everything's out, but it is overall a well-made dress. The color I'm obsessed with. I need to buy something in this color because it is so vibrant and in your face, but it is nice, and I do think I could see Kim K wearing this. I mean, she did wear this, but you know what I mean. I actually also ordered the iconic Kylie Jenner 21st jumpsuit from Fashion Nova, but it didn't arrive in time, which breaks my heart so much, you have no idea. So when it does arrive, I'll post it on my Instagram story about what I think and everything, and I'll pin it. So if you want to see the quality of that, then be sure to follow me on Instagram. But this next one I've been really excited for, and it's this dress right here that Blac Chyna wore. So she's always posting about Fashion Nova as well, constantly. And our style is pretty different, mine and Blac Chyna's, but when I saw this dress, she was rocking it, and I was like, I want to look like that. That's a cute dress. So I thought it would be perfect to test out for this video. So this is what the dress looks like. I know, not something you'd imagine Blac Chyna in, but this is the dress. It was $32.99 US. The material feels quite strange. Like, it's got like, all of this design is actually in felt on top of the white material, so it just feels a bit weird, but like, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's quite a cute dress. The buttons are all sewn on pretty well, but again, do I think that like a rich and famous celebrity would wear something this cheap? Like, it's not poorly made, but it's not like celeb quality, you know? I could definitely get something better than this, like Topshop or somewhere like that. So I'll try it on and see what we think once it's on. Maybe it'll look better. This is what Blac Chyna's dress looks like on. Obviously we have very different body types, but as I said earlier, you know, you can still get a gauge of what the dress looks like on, the quality of it, and all that jazz. So I definitely think it does suit body types such as Black China over mine. And honestly, I don't really like the dress on me personally. It is a little bit uncomfortable because of the felt material. It just feels a little bit weird on. But I think if you have like an office job and you have to look professional but you want to look a little bit stylish, this dress would be great because it does look okay when it's on. I just personally don't like it. I've just added on a belt because that's how Black China wore hers. And I do think it does tie the outfit together a little bit more, but I'm still personally not really a fan of this one. It's a little bit big up the top as well, like the sleeves look big, which they shouldn't because I ordered it in my size. And as we saw, like the previous outfit fit perfectly in my size. This one's just a little bit like frumpy, I think. So I definitely don't recommend this one if you have my body type. If you are a bit curvier, maybe it'll look better on you. But all in all, I don't really think Black China would be wearing a dress this cheap quality when she is a millionaire. Like, she can afford designer. Don't think she'd be wearing this if she wasn't getting paid to, you know? This next one is from the celeb that a lot of people credit Fashion Nova becoming so big to, and that is Cardi B. So she recently posted on Instagram in this red top right here, and that was actually what inspired this entire video. So Cardi's been like always talking about Fashion Nova, as you guys know. So I thought it'd be interesting to buy one of the things that she's always talking about. This is nice. This is a red velvet bodysuit that has this little like V cut. On the front it has all of the like sticky stuff so that it will stay up and not fall down, and this seems to be good quality. This is more what I expected, like, you know, cheaper in price but still good quality. So this was $24.99, which for a bodysuit, honestly, not that bad. I really like it. So let's try it on and see if it looks just as good on as it does right here, because this I could see Cardi B wearing, 100%. This is what Cardi B's bodysuit looks like on. I've styled it with jeans just like she did in the photo. And honestly, I'm very happy with it. Obviously, I'm smaller chested. It looks better when you're bigger chested, but I still think it looks quite cute on. It is a nice bodysuit and I really like it. I definitely think that she is genuinely wearing this. Maybe the jeans she wore in the photo were very expensive, but like, I do think that she would be wearing this top because it's a nice quality top. This is what I thought more of the items were gonna be. Like, it's cheap, but it's still really good. But they haven't really been, have they? Only a few. So I really like this top, and it actually makes me quite excited for the Cardi B and Fashion Nova collection. So I think when that comes out, I'll have to do a review on it because this top is so nice. And if this is anything to go off, there's a good collection coming. Up next is something that Kylie Jenner wore that everyone was talking about because she took a picture in this right here and posted it on her Instagram about Coachella. She said something along the lines of she could wear designer but Fashion Nova has her covered, something like that. And it was this black unitard. Ta-da! Looks like a black piece of material, but it's not. It's a unitard. Okay, so there's not really much to say with this. The material isn't that bad. It's not see-through. It's not amazing, like, but it's not see-through. So it definitely could look good. But again, I don't really think Kylie Jenner, a billionaire, is wearing this when she's not being paid, you know? Like, I feel like she'd at least be wearing something that's double lined. I mean, it really could be just a really nice basic that would look really good with like a jacket, some boots. So let's try it on and see how it looks. Ta-da! This is what the unitard looks like on, and I am not a fan. I just feel like I'm wearing nothing. I feel like this is what people used to wear underneath their clothes. Like, I don't understand. Quality-wise, it's actually pretty good. It fits well, like it's very tight and fits me really nicely, but like, why would you want to wear this? You know, there are so many nicer items on Fashion Nova, I feel, so like, why get the one that looks like what people sometimes wear underneath their clothes? So I do actually think Kylie Jenner is wearing this. Like, it is really nicely well made. It's good quality. It is very like tight, which I'm a fan of, but like just the style itself, now I have it on, I'm like, why? I'm not a fan of it personally, but if you are and you like this, it's good quality, so I recommend it to you. But overall, I think this is gonna be returned. I don't think I'm gonna be wearing this one. Next up is an outfit from Kourtney Kardashian that she was wearing, and this is a little bit different to something I would normally wear, but I wanted to try it, step out of my comfort zone a little. So she was wearing first of all, this white top. So let's open this one up. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Just an ordinary white top. This seems to be actually all right. So it's just this white crop top with these cute little, I like these sort of straps that are really thin, so it's like not a really thick chunky strap. I really prefer this on basics, and it's double lined, so it is actually like a good quality crop top. So I think that this is quite cute, and I could see Kourtney wearing something like this. I actually was really hoping that this would be good quality because it's a staple. Like, I'll be wearing this all summer long, so I am very impressed with that one. And then to go with the top, I bought the pants that she was also wearing. These are good. So these are what the pants look like. They are long, army green shorts. See, definitely not my usual style, hey? But they actually look to be well made. These are a nice pair of pants. The material is really nice. Kourtney, I am very impressed with you because these are actually good made products. So it doesn't seem like she's just trying to get her check, you know? I could actually see Kourtney Kardashian wearing these because these are well made items. So let's try them on together and see how they look. This is what the outfit looks like on, and I am a very big fan. Kourtney, I like what you picked out, I like what you promoted, and I honestly think that she is wearing something like this. These pants are so comfortable. I don't think I've ever worn pants that are stylish yet so comfortable before, and I am a really big fan of them. The top is thinner material, so it's not see-through, but you can see any lines underneath. So I messed around for ages trying to figure out what bra to wear underneath, so if you can see it, I apologize, it took me a long time. But overall, like, I think that she is rocking this. It is so stinking cute. Size-wise, these fit really well. The length on these is amazing. It goes all the way down. I even have a little bit to spare, which is rare since I'm 5'9". I'm not that tall, but like, companies seem to think that I'm too tall to cater for sometimes. So I am very happy that Fashion Nova has made these long enough. Although this outfit isn't my usual style, I actually think I'm gonna wear it. This with like heels, so cute. I really, really like it. So Kourtney, 10 out of 10. I think you're wearing this outfit. I don't think you were just doing it for the check, and I'm very impressed with this. Definitely keeping this, and I'm gonna be rocking these all the time. Lucky last, this item is kind of like iconic in Fashion Nova because it was one of the first items that was worn by a celeb out in like the paparazzi, and it was worn by Hailey Baldwin, and it's this white dress here. She was actually pictured with Kylie Jenner. Hailey was wearing the white one, and Kylie was wearing the black version of this. I actually sat at the computer for so long tossing up which color I wanted, which one I would wear more, and I eventually decided on the white one. So I'm hoping that it's good quality. Alright, this is what the dress looks like. It is just a plain white long sleeve dress. This, I can't decide if it's good quality or not. They have double lined it, but they've double lined it with cheap material, so like you can still see that tag in the middle there. And honestly, I like this kind of looks more like a nightie, like sleepwear. So Hailey Baldwin and I actually have like fairly similar body types, yet I feel like this isn't gonna look anywhere near the same as it did on her. But I mean, let's try it on and see how it looks. Maybe it just looks like a mess out like this, but when I put it on, I'm gonna look like Hailey. This is what the dress looks like on, and I'm very disappointed. It is really thin material, so it's quite see-through. I don't know if the camera's picking up on it because sometimes when things are see-through, they don't look see-through on camera, but it is very see-through. You can see everything. Maybe if I get closer, you guys will be able to see how see-through it is. Like, you can see my skin shining, but you can see my skin coming through the sleeves right here. If you have a darker skin tone, you'll definitely be able to see your skin right through it. You can see the outline of my bra and my stomach, and I just don't like it. I really don't like when clothes are made this poorly because it's kind of a waste of money, and I just feel uncomfortable in it because it's so thin. It really had potential to be a nice dress. If they'd actually used better quality material, I think this would look really nice, but unfortunately they've gone skimpy on the material and it looks see-through, which is strange because in the photo with Hailey Baldwin wearing it, it doesn't look see-through. So I'm kind of like, did they send her a different dress to the one they make? Have they started to change how they make it? I don't really know, but all I know is that this dress would not be worn by an international supermodel who is engaged to Justin Bieber. She is better than that, you know? She is not spending her days wearing this. It is see-through, it doesn't look good, and I'm just not a fan, as you can tell. What a bad note to end on. Some of these have been really great, but unfortunately this last one just let me down. It just really let me down. And those were all of the celebrity endorsed items that I bought from Fashion Nova. Looks like it's a bit of a hit or miss. Some of those I really don't think celebs would be wearing if they weren't getting paid a check. I don't think these millionaires out here wearing really cheap made clothes. But some of those I really do think that they are good quality items and I could see them wearing. So seems to be a bit of a hit or miss. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and don't forget, if you want to see the Kylie Jenner like iconic glittery jumpsuit, be sure to follow me on Instagram, because I promise as soon as I get it, I'll be putting it up on my story and then pinning that as like a story highlight, because I'm just gutted that it's not in this video. And if you did enjoy this video and want to see more like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I upload new videos every single week. And if you want to see more of my face, I am on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. My links are down below and on the screen right now. And that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!